My name is Bayley. I live in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. I'm 16 years old. I grew up pretty athletic. I always had a lot of energy. I did gymnastics, rock climbing, swimming for a while. I pursued those sports until I really wanted to focus on tennis. When I got my surgery, which was in October of 2015, they told me that if I didn't get my surgery, then I would be in a wheelchair when I was about 16 years old. So it was kind of more of a, you have to get this if you want to continue living a normal life. With tennis, I mean, it's deceivably really physical sport. A lot of cardio, a lot of banging with your knees and stuff like that, especially on hard courts. You need a lot of range of motion with your wrist and your shoulder and stuff like that. And with my back, I'm kind of limited with that. So I always have other parts of my body that are trying to compensate for that lack of mobility in my spine and back. Having Amanda is definitely a competitive advantage. She knows her stuff literally like I've never seen anyone else before. I mean, I've gone to doctors at some of the best hospitals in the country and they can't even figure it out, you know, so she gets it. Even if you're an athlete or not an athlete, I'm sure you have some tightness in your body. To have someone like that at any age is great. I think it's definitely helpful and necessary for a successful future, as well as just being healthy and safe and happy where you are currently. Having Steve here and Amanda here has, been incredible for me. I mean, having them at my side always and being able to talk to them and refer to them always is just awesome and incredible to have, and they're crazy helpful for me. They're really intelligent, they know what they're talking about, and they're just always there for me, which I always appreciate.